Hello viewers, welcome once again to this wonderful channel where mathematics is made easy. If this is your first time of viewing, kindly consider subscribing to my channel so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So today we want to see the general equation of a circle and how to apply it in solving some mathematical problems. Now here we have a question that we are going to tackle. But before we tackle this question, I want us to first of all to derive this general equation of a circle. Previously in my videos in equations of a circle, we found out that the equation of a circle is given by x minus a all squared plus y minus b all squared equals r squared. This is the equation of a circle we all know. Now, what if we think of expanding this bracket? We shall have something like x minus a into x minus a, because this is double, plus y minus b into y minus b equals r squared. This is double too, that's why it is in two places. Now, if I open the bracket, I have x times x, which is x squared. X times minus a is minus ax. Minus a times x is minus ax, and minus a times minus a is plus a squared, plus I come here, y times y is y squared, y times minus b is minus by, minus b times y is minus by, and minus b times minus b will give us plus b squared. Everything equals to this r squared. Okay, and here minus ax will give us x squared minus 2ax plus a squared plus y squared minus by will give us minus 2by, then plus b squared equals r squared. Now let us get the powers first together. So we have x squared plus y squared, then minus 2ax minus 2by. Then let's get the constant terms without the letters x and y in them. So we have plus a squared plus this b squared. R squared crossing here becomes minus r squared, everything equal to 0. Now this is the general equation of a circle. But if you want to still perform something on it, if you want to still go further, you can say let g be equal to minus a, and let f be equal to minus b, and let all these constants, which are a squared plus b squared minus r squared, be equal to, I can say c equals a squared plus b squared minus r squared. And if that is done, it means that the equation will now be x squared plus y squared. Now minus a will turn to g, so this is now positive because minus we cancel minus. We now have plus 2gx. Now minus b will turn to f because minus we cancel minus, so we have plus 2fy, then plus all this a squared plus b squared minus r squared will now turn to c equal to 0. So this equation here is the general equation of a circle. Now, having derived the general equation of a circle, let us now solve the problem at hand. So we are asked to find the center and the radius of a circle whose equation is x squared plus y squared minus 6 x plus 4y minus 3 equals 0. Now group the terms in x together and group the terms in y together. So this will now be x squared minus 6x plus y squared plus 4y. This minus 3 leaves here is a constant, it becomes positive 3. Now you need to complete these expressions in x and in y so that they will be perfect, because once they become perfect you can easily factorize them. Okay, now the coefficient of x here is minus 6, and to make an expression perfect you have to add to it half the square of coefficient of x, and coefficient of x here is minus 6. So you think of half of minus 6, which is minus 3 all squared. So we are adding minus 3 squared to this one. Coming to this one, the coefficient of y is 4. So you find half of it, it will give you 2. So you're adding 2 squared to this one. So that we now have x squared minus 6x minus 3 squared will give us plus 9 plus y squared plus 4y. 2 squared will give us 4 equal to 3. Now, for an equation to be balanced, whatever you do to the left hand side, you must do to the right hand side. Coming to the left hand side, I added 9 and 4. So the equation is not balanced. Therefore, for it to be balanced, I need to say add 9 and 4 to the right hand side so that it becomes balanced. So I'll have plus 9 and plus 4. Okay, so have now x squared minus 6x plus 9 plus y squared plus 4y plus 4 equals 3 plus 9 is 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. Now factorizing this, two numbers I will times to get 9. If I add, I will get minus 6. The numbers are minus 3 and minus 3 because minus 3 times minus 3 is plus 9 and minus 3 minus 3 is minus 6. So this is now x minus 3 into x minus 3. The expansion of this gives me this. Plus, coming here, two numbers I will times to get plus 4. If I add, I will get plus 4. The numbers are 2 and 2 because 2 times 2 is 4 and 2 plus 2 is 4. So I'll have y plus 2 into y plus 2. Now, this is still 16. Now, this is double, so I will call it x minus 3 all squared plus, this is double 2, y plus 2 all squared. 16 can be called 4 squared. Remember, equation of a circle is given by x minus a all squared plus y minus b all squared equal to r squared. The essence of doing all these things I did is to make sure that it looks like the equation of a circle. And if it is like this, we are asked to find the radius. Automatically, this is 4 because 2 cancel 2. That is to say, comparing terms here, you shall have that r squared is equal to 4 squared, cancel out. So our radius is 4 units. That's our radius considering the nature of equation of a circle. Also, the centers which they asked us to find is equal to this. Look at my center, which means minus a is minus 3. So I can write minus a is equal to minus 3. Minus cancel minus, so a is 3. Coming here, minus b is 2. Minus b is equal to 2, which means b is equal to minus 2. And the center of a circle is always a comma b. Therefore, our center will now be a. My a is 3, comma, my b is minus 2. So the center of this circle is 3, comma, minus 2, and the radius is 4 units. If you've enjoyed what you've watched, kindly subscribe to my channel so that you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Thank you.